If you've ever finished an online course and still felt like you learned nothing useful, this is different. Every academy on Learn and Grow has between 50 and 100 full lessons across almost 300 modules. Not short clips, not motivation, real structured teaching that takes you from the beginner to confident in money, business, sales, tech, career, faith, and more. Every lesson gives you a clear teaching breakdown, a real world example, a practical action step, and a quiz to lock it in. Learn at your pace, on your phone, and track your progress as you go. Finish a course and you earn a verifiable certificate you can actually show employers. You also get CareerPulse, our career toolkit that helps you sharpen your CV, prepare for interviews, and present yourself professionally. It's built for the Nigerian job market, not copied from abroad. And here's what makes Learn and Grow different. When you invite others to learn with you, you receive an educational benefit on your paid plans that you can actually withdraw into your bank account every Friday. You grow, they grow, and you are rewarded for building the community. You can start completely free, no card, no risk. Create your account, open your first academy, and take your first lesson today. Go ahead and sign up.